So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to stop Telegram from directly saving the media files to your gallery. But before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So to stop Telegram from saving the media files directly to your phone's gallery, first of all open Telegram in your smartphone. Here in the top left corner you can see three lines. Click on that three lines and go to the settings. Here you can see an option of data and storage. Click on data and storage. Here we can see save to gallery. Here you can see private chats, group, channels. If you want to turn off every single of them, just click on them and it will be turned off. If you just want to turn off private chats, group or channels, only any one or any two, then you can just simply turn on any one or two or turn off any one or any two or all of them. It's your choice. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.